Dear students, how are you? I am fine. Hope you are well. Today I am taking the class on English second paper. Now I will discuss about changing sentences. Today's topic is affirmative to negative. The item use of only or alone. If only alone in a sentence, we have to change the sentence into negative. How? There are three items of the use of only or alone in the sentence in negative. First, if only or alone indicates person, noun but is used in place of only or alone. According to the structure, the sentence will be noun but if person plus the rest of the sentence. Example, only he did the sum. The answer is none but he did the sum. We will notice here that only indicates he person. So we use none but in place of only. None but he did the sum. The second item, if only or alone indicates things, the negative sentence will be according to the structure, nothing but plus the rest of the sentence. Example, only the moon is visible in the sky. The answer, nothing but the moon is visible in the sky. Now we notice that only indicates the moon. The moon is thing. So we use nothing but in place of only here. The third item, if only or alone indicates number or age, we will use not more than or not less than in place of only or alone. Example, the rest of sentence plus not more than or not less than, according to the structure, the negative sentence will be I have only 2 pens. The answer, I have not more than or not less than 2 pens. Here we notice that only indicates number or age. Only indicates 2 pens. 2 pens means number. 2 pen expresses number. So we use not more than or not less than in place of only. Now I will discuss another item. Another item is must, have to or has to. If in a sentence must, have to, has to is, then we follow the structure subject plus cannot but plus the rest of the sentence. Notice here that example, we must die. The answer, we cannot but die. Here in place of must we use cannot but. we cannot but die. Similarly, I had to join the party. Here we see after subject have to. The answer, I cannot but join the party. Here I use cannot but in place of have to. Now we discuss another item. The item is the use of both and. If both and is in a sentence, we use not only in place of both but also in place of and. For example, both Rohim and Karim went there. Notice, not only Rohim, in place of both not only, but also Karim, in place of and but also went there. The sentence, not only Rohim but also Karim went there. Another example, I saw both the tiger and the elephant there. The sentence will be, I saw not only the tiger but also the elephant. Elephant, yeah. So we understand, I saw both the tiger and the elephant there. The answer, I saw not only the tiger but also the elephant there. Hope you understand. The next item, the use every. If every is added to subject, we use there is no in place of every. The sentence will be according to the structure, there is no plus but plus the rest of the sentence. Example, everybody wants to be happy in life. The answer, there is no body but wants to be happy in life. I hope you understand the items of today which we discuss. You are be happy and be quiet. Thank you very much.